The deep web isn't just about privacy. It's also home to something far more powerful: knowledge. We're talking about academic databases, government archives, medical journals, and scientific research. A massive world of information that's hidden from the surface web, but still entirely legal and incredibly valuable. Let's start with why this content is hidden. Search engines like Google index only what they can access freely. But many research portals are behind paywalls, login systems, or institutional firewalls. They're not shady, they're just private. This means you can't Google most academic knowledge. Instead, you have to know where to look. Here are some of the major hidden research resources on the deep web. 1JSTOR, Springer Link, and Elsevier. These platforms host millions of peer-reviewed papers, from history and sociology to chemistry and computer science. If you're a university student or faculty member, you likely have access. If not, many universities offer guest logins or public terminal access. 2 Google Scholar Advanced. Google Scholar itself is indexed, but many of the results it links to live deep in protected databases. Clicking through often lands you behind a login wall or institutional gateway. That's the deep web in action. 3 Even SSRN. These are open access repositories for pre-published research in physics, math, computer science, law, and economics. No paywall, no account, but still hidden from casual browsing. 4 National Archives and Data Portals. Government-run archives, like data.gov in the US or Eurostat in the EU, host massive datasets and historical records. These are often searchable only through internal engines, not Google. 5 Academic gateways and federated search tools. Services like WorldCat or BASE aggregate millions of research papers across thousands of institutions. But access is often limited by credentials. So how do you tap into this world? Start by getting access through a university or local library system. Many libraries offer remote logins, digital borrowing, and on-site terminal access to research databases. If you're not affiliated with an institution, don't worry. Open access journals, public repositories, and data archives are growing every day. And tools like Unpaywall Core or the Directory of Open Access Journals can help you bypass many restrictions, legally. The takeaway? The deep web isn't just where privacy lives, it's where truth and knowledge are stored. If you're a journalist, a researcher, or just someone who wants more than headlines, learning to navigate these archives is a superpower. Later in this course, we'll show you how to stay anonymous while accessing these tools, especially when researching sensitive topics. But for now, just remember this: some of the most important knowledge in the world isn't on Google. It's deeper, and it's yours to explore.